Hi guys, welcome to my Lorentix channel. Today is my last recipe on this channel, but next year I will bring you more recipes, don't worry. In a pan we will add cooking oil with garlic and we are going to brown them just a little bit. Then I'm gonna add the beef, seasoning with salt, cumin, fresh black pepper, mix everything. And add a fresh parsley, tomato, and onion in cubes. Let's integrate everything. Now cover and simmer. And when the meat is between raw and cooked, we are gonna add vinegar, and a little bit of soy sauce to taste. Cover again for a couple of minutes. And look how juicy it is and smells so good, guys. I have served in a deep plate and I'm going to eat with the steamed green beans. Guys, if you like my recipe, please subscribe if you are new today for more recipes next year. Follow me on my social media, and I'm going to share a green bean with somebody. She's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. She is with me every Wednesdays in my recipes for you guys, but she has her own videos every Saturdays. Thanks for the support with my videos this year, and Happy New Year 2022.